Well, it's the 1st of November 2020. I'm hoping the wind is in the opposite direction, and we're on the last day of operation of the railway for this season, at least at the Bodiam end. Very sadly last night, the announcement of a new lockdown, which has probably put paid to our Remembrance Day trains, and looks like it's also put paid to the 3 Sunday Pullmans we were going to operate. And more sadly, listen to that wind. Yes, more sadly, the quiet day of Santa specials that we were doing for children on the autistic spectrum. As you can see, the seasons have gone through. The garden is not looking so colourful now, but we do have naked ladies here. Those lovely pink flowers there. I know them as naked ladies. I honestly can't remember their proper name. But I just thought I'd do one final video from the railway this year. I say video. I've decided on a new name for what I do, and I'm going to call them Walkumentaries, because basically I do a documentary while I'm walking here. I'm crossing KESR today. I'll try and film the trains later if I get the chance, but I just thought you'd like a look round the place as we approach the end of the season. Lovely yellow colour on the vines over there. As you've probably seen from videos before, the zoom is ultra sensitive, so I'm trying to learn a finer control. But we've still got a nice bit of colour in the tubs on the platform. Although we're going to have to strip them out perhaps on Tuesday. Hopefully take the begonia corms and look after until next year. And in a while, the first of the day's 3 trains will come down the line from that direction. A grey day, we may or may not have too much rain. What we've certainly got is an awful lot of wind. We're still running our Pullmans, and unfortunately this new lockdown has rather scuppered the last few that we were going to operate, but I'm just trying to focus in, because we have what appears to be one rose, and there it is. And I'm doing my best to try and keep the camera still, but the wind is blowing everything about. But there it is, the last rose of the year. And there's all them people there, sitting simmering, having their lunch. And the train is now, or the loco is now going to run round this train, but you've seen it before, so I won't bore you with it again, because it's 25, but hopefully I'll catch the run round on the last train of the day, which is the pannier tank 1638, and I don't think that's featured in one of my videos yet this year. So there we are, the wind's blowing, but there's still people travelling on the Pullmans. Well, now we've managed all three of our serviceable engines. Great Western design pannier tank 1638. Ready to haul the last train out of Bodiam for this season. At least the weather's calmed down a little bit, although it's still windy. Guard hands the staff back to the loco crew and gives them permission to join on the end of the train. I'm looking through the gates here for the last time this year. I've just locked them up. The last train is gone, and Bodiam Station will return to slumber for the winter months, with the exception of Tuesdays when we're here doing routine maintenance. And hopefully we should be able to resume something like normal service next year, when I hope everybody will be able to come and visit again. So, one final view across towards the castle. I wish you goodbye for the 2020 season.